Selling on Shopify is simple and powerful. First, sign up for a Shopify account, choose a plan, and pick a domain name. Then, select a theme that fits your brand and customize your store by adding products, descriptions, and high-quality images. Set up payment methods like PayPal or Shopify payments, configure shipping settings, and ensure your store is optimized for mobile users. Before launching, test your store thoroughly. Check checkout processes, page speed, and navigation to ensure a smooth customer experience. Once live, drive traffic using SEO, social media, and paid ads. Leverage Shopify's built-in marketing tools, email campaigns, and discounts to attract and retain customers. Optimize product pages with clear descriptions and customer reviews for trust. Use analytics to track performance and tweak strategies accordingly. Stay consistent with branding and customer service to build loyalty. Shopify isn't just a store, it's a money-making machine if used right.